Hey guys, I'm Hassan, I'm your surf club president for 2020. We're really excited to get you guys in, and this video is just going to tell you some things we're doing this year.
Hi guys, I'm Becky. I'm the Health and Safety Officer for the club and I study paramedic science. My job is to make sure that everybody is safe. Surfing's a really safe sport and we've got some really nice foam boards to make sure that no one gets hurt out there. Everyone's really caring and looks out for each other, and the waves at Bournemouth are really nice and small, so it's not too scary.
Hi guys, I'm Archie. I'm in charge of the events and equipment at the surf club. Basically, if you want surfboard rental, you can come down to the beach and we'll sort discounted boards out for you and wetsuits. We do £10 for an hour session, and that's cheaper than what you'd get normally. If you're with the Bournemouth club, you just have to be a member of the surf club, which is £35. I joined the club because I just really wanted to start surfing. I was a beginner in my first year, I'm in my third year now. And it's a really good opportunity to meet people and just have something extra to do at uni on top of what you're studying. And it's a chance to do something new, since you wouldn't, if you don't come from somewhere near the sea, it's definitely worth doing.
Hi guys, I'm Remy. I am your social sec and treasurer for this year. We're really looking forward to seeing you at the socials and to getting to know you all, whether we do socials on the beach or in pubs if we're allowed. If you haven't surfed before, not an issue. I'd never surfed before I joined the society and I can actually surf now, so that's good.
Hi guys, I'm Daddy. No, I'm only kidding. I'm the coach for your society this year. We're going to be bringing you lessons, and it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, we're all about people learning and trying it for the first time. I also learned to surf through the surf club, and yeah, we'll be at the beach at Boscombe and we'll have all the equipment here. We've got boards and wetsuits. As well as lessons, you'll be able to hire equipment from us and come down and surf. And we have a lot of surf days in Bournemouth, and it's not just the weekends, we also have weekday surf, and we'll be organising free surfing sessions, so you'll be able to come down in a group and we'll keep to the guidelines that are appropriate at the time. But yeah, you'll be able to come down in a group, surf, hire equipment and just have a lot of fun.
The Surf Club organises trips locally to our favourite surf spots like Devon, Cornwall, Bristol Wave Pool and so on. We do those regularly, so stay on our social media platforms for updates and we'll get you there. The Surf Club also organises trips abroad, so every year in our Christmas holidays and our Easter holidays we take people out for a week, and so far we've been to Morocco, Fuerteventura, Portugal and Spain.